Many beginners believe that starting a task means committing to finishing it. That belief quietly creates pressure. Pressure makes starting feel heavy. If starting feels heavy, the mind looks for relief. Relief often comes in the form of delay, distractions, or avoidance. The simple idea here is to separate starting from finishing. Starting is just opening the door. Finishing is walking all the way through. You do not need to do both at the same time. When you give yourself permission to start without finishing, the task loses some of its weight. It becomes smaller and more approachable. There are a few simple pieces to this idea. One is time. When time feels unlimited, tasks feel endless. When time is clearly limited, tasks feel contained. Another is expectation. When the goal is finishing, the mind worries about effort and outcome. When the goal is starting, the mind relaxes. The last piece is trust. When you practice gentle starts, you learn that beginning does not trap you. You can stop when you choose. For example, if you want to clean a room, thinking about cleaning the entire space can feel overwhelming. But thinking about touching one small area for 5 minutes feels possible. Or if you want to write, finishing a full piece can feel heavy. Writing for 5 minutes feels safe. This matters because starting is often the hardest part. Once you begin, momentum can happen naturally. But momentum is a bonus, not a requirement. Here is how this flows in a simple way. First, you choose one task. Next, you set 5-minute timer. Finally, you stop when the timer ends. This works because it lowers pressure, creates clarity, and builds trust with yourself. We are not trying to do more. We are trying to begin more gently. If this idea made starting feel a little lighter, that is a good sign. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including productivity and creative habits. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or helpful is enough. It really helps more beginners discover this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might need a calmer start, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.